For centuries, people have wondered whether science and religion can coexist, or if they are fundamentally at odds with each other. But in the case of Islam, the Quran has actually been praised by many scientists for its accurate scientific descriptions, despite being written over 1,400 years ago. For example, the Quran mentions the process of embryonic development in detail, long before modern science had any understanding of how this process occurs. It also describes the Big Bang Theory, the creation of the universe, and the formation of the Earth's layers, all concepts that modern science has only recently come to understand. In fact, many scientists have been inspired by the Quran's scientific revelations and have even used them as a starting point for their own research. But why does the Quran contain these scientific descriptions? It is a sign of the divine origin of the Quran. It's not a reflection of the scientific knowledge of the time, which was heavily influenced by religious beliefs. Regardless of the reason, the Quran's scientific descriptions continue to fascinate and inspire people around the world. They remind us that science and religion can complement each other, and that there is still so much we have yet to discover about the world around us, which is only possible if we read and research on Quran, as only the Creator has all the answers for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this brief exploration of the Quran and science.